How about this? The world's biggest SSD and its eye-watering price tag. I mean, if that doesn't get you going, Will, if that doesn't get you excited and curious, I don't know what will.
Well,
it's eye-watering.
My eyes are watered.
A 100 terabyte SSD. Who needs this? I don't know. I kind of like it, though. It just, you know, we're into weird things around here, and to each their own. Some people like to do knitting. Some people. Some people like to restore Hot Wheels.
Yes.
Some people like to do that.
Yeah.
Some people like trains. Some people like food. Well, everybody likes food, but some people like it more than others.
Passionately.
Yeah. So some people like storage.
Wow.
And today we got a lot of it for you. If you're one of these people. Largest ever solid state drive comes with a very steep premium. The 100 terabyte version retailing for $40,000 US. $40,000 or $400 per terabyte. 40 G's on a drive. What a time to be alive.
Can we get a few of those in the studio?
Wow. That could be useful. I don't know how fast they're going to be, but it's a tremendous... Oh, here we go. They use enterprise-grade MLC 3D NAND rather than QLC, providing a sequential read-write of up to 500 by 460 megabytes per second. That's not that fast. It's fast, but it's not that fast. But it's really more about storage. It's an enterprise situation. Well, you know, once you have an enterprise, you don't even look at the price tags.
Yeah.
Once you're enterprise level, you just sign off on it.
Yeah.
Pay for it later.
I remember getting my first SSD. It was like 128 megs. And man, I thought like
128 megs?
I mean, gigs.
I was like, where's this guy been?
And yeah, I just remember installing software and it was so fast, but not did I ever think about using it as storage.
Yeah. If you had a tower at the time, you had separate storage. You had your 3.5 hard drives in there, and you only put your system and your applications on the SSD. I was there. I've been there with you. And I think a lot of people were, you know, came from there. And yeah, it's just technology. It's the way it works. Things get cheaper, miniaturized, and one day 100 terabyte SSD is going to be $5. That's a crazy thing to think about. But anyway, for now, it's 40 G's. It's definitely not $5 for right now.